Hello everyone, Grandma here. Today I am making Grandpa a sandwich that my father used to enjoy in the summer. Ricotta cheese and tomato sandwich. Since he was Italian and my mother cooked a lot of Italian food, he ate this when there was leftover ricotta cheese and fresh tomatoes from his garden. To make this sandwich, the ingredients are ricotta cheese, 1 tomato, fresh basil cut in ribbons, garlic powder, and a 6-inch piece of Italian bread. You can use whatever bread you like and the amount of ingredients. The first thing I did to make this sandwich was I cut the bread in half, and I'm going to only use the bottom half. The next thing, I cut the tomatoes. I sliced the tomatoes nice. They're ready to be put on the bread. I'm taking the ricotta cheese and I'm going to spread the ricotta cheese on the bread. You can use as much or as little as you like. Now I'm going to take my ribbon basil and I'm going to lay that on top of the ricotta cheese. We love basil. It smells so good and it tastes so good. Especially the fresh. If you don't have fresh, you could use dry. Then I'm going to put my sliced tomatoes on top. And I'm adding granulated garlic. You could add whatever you like to the top of this. Now I'm adding some black pepper. You can add salt if you like, but we don't use salt, so I'm adding pepper. How's it taste, Grandpa?
Let you know in a minute, Ma. It's very tasty. You got the ricotta cheese, the basil, the flavors really come out. Then the tomatoes. Tastes good. It's a very filling sandwich with the thick Italian bread. And I just happened to hit the garlic at the last bite. And boy, that really comes out strong and nice. And it's nice and cool. It's not a hot sandwich, it's a cool sandwich.
I'm glad you like it, Pa.
This would be good on any type of toasted bread.